Hey, let me give you some tips how you can fix that issue when your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is not charging. So the first one, the official Samsung recommendation. I know that it's like super simple, but Samsung actually often recommends this one. So you have to just swipe down in the notifications, click on the power button, click on it again, wait until the device will be turned off, and now you will have to start charging your device. So basically you have to start charging your device when it's turned off. And when it's not working, you can also try to clean your sensors. So this is the place with the sensors and the magnetic attachment for charger. So you can use, for example, the microfiber cloth and gently swipe it. Or if you have this sticker, you can try to remove it. Sometimes it can actually block something. And also you can try to get the proper alignment. So make sure that you have properly attached this magnetic charger into the bottom of your Galaxy Watch 7. But also you can try to exchange your power adapter. So if you are connected with this one into the non-Samsung power adapter, you can try to purchase an official Samsung power adapter, or let's say you can connect this one into other power supply. Like in my case, when I'm gonna plug it into my phone, take a look. It's gonna charge my Galaxy Watch 7. As you can see, we get charging animation, and that's basically everything.